Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant collection of Sindhi embroidery design that are specifically designed for borderline embroidery. Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati Jama, Kutch work or Gujarati Jama. These are the different terms attributed to one embroidery stitch that is being shown to you onto your screens right now. So before going into the further details, I request you to do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. Please don't forget to like my video if you really liked it and leave comments in the comment section so that we can get to know what you want me to share with you in my new and upcoming videos. Guys, the most important thing is that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which you have been liking the design the ideas of Kutch work onto my channel and requesting me to share some more creative designs of Kutch work. So I am making this video. And guys, these borderline embroidery patterns could be used for a wide variety of reasons like sari palus, like sari blouse, like sleeves borders, like neckline, like trouser border, like four corners of your stroller, shawl, dupatta, scarf, and even you can design these onto the baby girl dresses, frocks. Short length kurti, medium length kurti, full length kurti could be designed by making these very beautiful borderline patchwork embroideries, and your maxis, Kalida suits, full length dresses could also be designed with the help of these very beautiful patterns of patchwork. Guys, if unfortunately you are unable to get the best design or the design of your choice from our today's video, then you no need to get disappointed because I have already shared thousands of designs of Kutch onto my channel, and not only Kutch many more creativities responding to different type of hand embroidery stitches and types and patterns of hand embroidery I have already shared. So go explore my channel and keep supporting us, keep loving us, because your love and support is the only way through which we could grow and prosper. And we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of designing and sharing design ideas and creativity with you is to share with the lovers of hand embroidery, with the community of hand embroidery, with the persons who are beginner of hand embroidery, some creativity and new design patterns in the field of hand work. So I hope that you are getting my point, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, unique, and classy ideas relevant to Sindhi embroidery, borderline embroidery designs. So this video is a two-way treat. That is, if you are in search of Sindhi embroidery design, then this video collection is absolutely for you. If you are in search of very beautiful, unique, and elegant style borderline embroidery pattern, then this video collection is absolutely for you again, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon in my new video.